All right, so I want to show you guys something I have learned. So when I latch this, I want to get in really close here. You can see the direction of the latches is going, well, I'll change hands here. The direction of the latches is going this way, on the back, that side, and that way on the other side. So what happens when you hang it is it kind of lays open here. And that's something I don't want. So what I started doing down here, you can see, started adding latches oriented downward. So my hope is that when I wear this, even though it's got good coverage on the hair, that when it hangs like normal, this is going to be covered with a strip of hair that lays this way when it's and it'll cover up that, looks like a seam even though there's no seam there, but it's that part, you know, because what I don't want is I don't want them to have a part. So something I've learned, it was easier latching it this direction and I got better coverage for the vertical on the arm, but that's a side effect. So you just go in and fill in with some vertical pieces, you know. So orientation of your latching counts. And so this is where I am on the back now. Started filling in the back. See some pieces I need to take care of there, but that'll fill in as time goes on. So the back's going to get up to about, let's see, back's going to get up to about that level, just below where it is on the front, probably, and then we'll start with the gray for the rest. Then on this sleeve, this was the one I latched, and everything's vertically oriented, but so it looks good hanging here, but it's too thin. And when you wear it and it hangs off your arm, it starts to show. So, but I am very, very happy with the front. Pretty happy all around with where I'm at. Can't say I'm disappointed or anything. Yeah, this kind of bugged me a little bit right here, but I figured out a solution. After you latch a few 100,000 times, it seems like, you kind of learn how this stuff's gonna lay. And yeah, I've got it really tight in there. There's hair everywhere. So I'll just go up in here and put a row of gray, goes all the way up, but I'll latch it with a vertical orientation. And that should take care of that seam, because I've done it right here, just a few pieces. And it's not gonna take a lot to fill that in. So there we are.